and alone. I feel the rain crashing.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be back. I know it's been a while. I've missed you guys. You guys already know life just, it happens, you know, but I'm ready to get back to these videos. So what we're going to be doing today is I'm going to show you guys, my hair is about 3 days old and I went to the gym yesterday. I didn't have my hair down. It was pulled up into a bun. So I want to show you guys how I refresh my curls and how I'm only using one product to refresh my curls. I've been experimenting with my flaxseed gel. So it's my specialty flaxseed gel. Been experimenting with now for like, dang, probably like, I don't know, maybe about a year, I'd say. This year, as you guys know, I've gotten more into making my own products, which I personally like. Once I'm done with all my products, like all of them, I'm gonna go ahead and transition into pretty much all natural if possible. There's great brands that I do like that I'll probably continue to use, but even now, you guys, I use a lot of natural stuff. So my flaxseed gel is amazing and I can't wait to show you guys how I use it. I also will be selling these. So I'm going to be selling the Flaxseed Gel Jars if you guys want to purchase it. It's going to be 12 ounces for $10. I'm setting everything up right now, you guys, so why not let you guys know. At the same time, I'm still getting everything together, but people have been asking me, so yes, I will be taking orders. It's gonna be really exciting, really exciting. So why don't we go ahead and get started. You guys do ask me how I wrap my hair at night. Typically I will just use a scarf, or I will use a bonnet, which I used a bonnet last night, and I used both a scarf and a bonnet. Okay, so now I'm just taking my hair out and I'm gonna go ahead and first off, I kind of just like to see where my hair is at. I'm going to wet my hair. This has oil in it. I typically put African's Best oil in it in my hair today, so I'll have it in my Amazon store, you guys. I do also have an Amazon store that I will leave down below for you guys. So you want to just spritz your hair. You don't want to do like too much. You don't want your hair to be too damp because then it's going to take forever to dry. So you don't really want that. But you guys, like, what? My hair has not really needed product on it. Like, I'm not joking. And this never happens to me. And it's happening because of this flaxseed gel, y'all. It's real. Like, I've only been using this literally, like, what? The last few days. This is all I've been using on my hair, y'all. And this is insane. Like, literally, it's so crazy. Yo, it feels like butter. It's so crazy. But that's why, you guys, I love natural products. You have to understand that, man, your hair deserves, when you start realizing your hair is your crown in real life, it's gonna change the whole game for you. You're gonna be like, oh, okay, now I see, now I get it. You know what I'm saying? Because you realize that you want to only put the best in your hair. Why would you not want to put the best in your hair? You know what I'm saying? You want to treat your hair like it's your baby, because it is. You know what I'm saying? So just go with that mindset, you guys, when doing your hair and thinking about your hair, everything like that. Like, you want to love your hair. So what I'm going to do is I took a whole bunch. I'm gonna actually put it on the back of my hair. And I kind of see what pieces need love. Like, not all the pieces are gonna need love, but you know, like the front ones, I want to make sure those are really curly, because when I take my photos, I want my hair to be popping, y'all. Popping and big. So you guys don't know, but I actually cut my hair into bangs like a few days ago. So I just really like the bang look. I feel like that is my signature. And I've just seen so many girls that I love with it. I'm like, no, this is definitely my look. So with the bangs, I'm probably going to put them... Sorry, I got to get this so I can see what I'm doing here. And then you kind of just play with your hair, like how you want to shape it that day. My hair was up for like a good 2 months, so I really didn't have it out, because it needed to just do its own thing and chill. So what I'm doing, you guys, I am taking the bangs. I'm probably just going to diffuse my bangs, honestly. But I really want bangs today, so I'm just taking the pieces in the front and I'm pretty much wetting those as much as they can be wet. Like, I am putting a lot of product on them, basically, is what I'm trying to say. Because I want my hair to, I want it to be more like that. Like, so let me see. I'm about to call my mom. I'm gonna call her right now. I'm gonna be on the phone. It's also this flaxseed gel, it's everything.
Yep.
This flaxseed gel is life, for real. It's crazy.
It is.
I know.
Every curl is defined.
Right? Every curl is defined. I'm like, this is insane. But, yeah.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give. Never gonna give.
So, this is the base of the hair, what we're gonna work with. Hair is about 95% dry. And now what I'm gonna do is just kind of shape my hair. I'm gonna dry a little bit more of it, but I'm now gonna switch to the regular, blood, you know what I'm saying, the default one, okay? I'm just drying it on low. I just need this area to be dry. It's actually pretty important that you guys dry your hair before you do the stretching method. Also, I wanna let you know, if you live in a humid area, it doesn't matter how many times you do the stretching method, it's not gonna work because the humidity, the stretching method that I'm gonna do, it doesn't work because the humidity kind of just sucks it all the way, like, up again. So, you can try it, but if it's not working for you, that's probably why. Because I have to be careful too. If I like go to the club or something, my hair will literally shrink up on me. So now I gotta do different styles sometimes. I don't really go to the club like that, but when I was going, that was like curly girl problems, type 4 hair problems. Where the fun part comes in, you're gonna just divide your hair up. Ooh, I don't have a clip. That's okay. Oh, I need a clip. It's okay, whatever, because I'm not about to get up right now. So you want to start at the very back. Take your blow dryer. It's on, I don't know, it's on like high. I'd say high, medium power. So I just take a little bit of my hair. You want to start at the root and pull it down. You want to completely miss the bottom of your hair. So the curl part, you want to miss that completely. You guys see how it's loosening up? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm actually just gonna do this side first and then do the other side because I think that I'm gonna get a better method that way. This is the first time I've tried this, so. So, don't know how good of an idea that, oh no, that was a good idea. Perfect. So this is what one side's looking like so far. This is without me picking it. And this is the other side. So you guys can see the difference between like shrinkage and no shrinkage, y'all. It's so real. It's like insane how real it is. So we're actually gonna pick it out, y'all. So now I'm gonna start, I'm gonna always start at the root and just pick it down. Yep, start at the root, pick it down. You always want to pick the direction where you want your hair to go. You're not going to pick your roots. If you want your hair to go down, you're going to pick it down. If you want your hair to go up, you pick it up. Because what it's doing is it's loosening that root. It's stretching that root out. So if you don't want to pick your hair up, don't do it up. Do it down. So I started doing mine more so down. Because I like to see the length of my hair now. Because it's getting mother effing long. And I'm so excited about it. So what I'm going to do is just pick down, and Well, that's good. That's nice. That's cute-ish. I like that, actually. Yeah, that's nice. And then I'm gonna pick down on the bottom. Just pick it out, pick it out. Like, it's a lot of work, but it's so beautiful once it's done. I kind of don't mind. So we're gonna do the same thing on the other side, you guys. Sorry you guys, my camera cut out, so I picked my hair off camera, but I wanted to show you guys what my hair looks like. It looks stinking amazing, y'all. So I wanted to show you guys how I refresh my hair. It probably took me about good 30 minutes, probably good 30. Give yourself that time if you know, are going out or whatever. Give yourself that time yourself to see how long it takes, and just go from there. But yeah, I'd say about 30 minutes. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys want to get your own special personalized flaxseed gel, you already know, email me or hit me up on Dope Curls with 2 Z's. My email address again is dopecurls1z@gmail.com. I will see you guys next time. As always, stay dope, and I love y'all. Later.